bro. It's no begging, nothing, bro. Now you're getting me tight, bro. Because how much times we been through this? How much times we done did this? Over, bro. Nah, bro. It's always one more chance, bro. It's always one more chance, bro. When you gonna change, bro? Nah, bro. It's not your friend, bro. Go to that. Go to that. Bro. Where to my dad? Go to that. I'm getting tight, bro. You're getting me mad, bro. Go to that. Go to them, bro. You always come back to me for what? Why me? Why me, though? Why me, bro? Go do that shit.
My friend, I care about you the most.
We can talk about it another day.
No, it's not gonna be another day.
So then it's not gonna be another day then. I don't give a fuck.
And I'm asking you, can we talk about this, please?
Nothing to talk about. Leave.
You were just calling me last night.
So the fuck what? Leave. You wasn't doing this. Leave. Why am I still talking? Oh my god. I don't give a fuck. Why are you? This is the drunk shit I'm talking. You can't handle your liquor? Go about your business. I'm not trying to do this with you. Bro, call your friend. It's her birthday. What the fuck are we talking about? Alright, you keep.
What are you doing, bro?
Getting your stuff out. You gotta go.
Bro, you got my stuff on the street? What the hell is wrong with you, bro?
First of all, come get all your stuff, because it cannot be here longer.
BB, yo, put all my stuff back in the house. This is my house. How you gonna kick me out of my house?
Your house. I took your name off the lease and I put my name on the lease.
You can't do that. I'm the one paying all the bills. How the hell you gonna kick me out of my own house?
My ways. Don't worry about it.
So what you gonna tell the kids, huh? What you gonna tell the kids?
I'm not gonna tell them nothing. First of all, they're not your kids, so stop worrying about them.
Baby, I raised them since they was youngins, man.
Just because you raised them doesn't mean you're their father.
So you cheating on me or
There's
something?
nothing-
Baby, please tell me you playing with me, bro.
Why would I be playing with you? Your stuff is outside. Go get it.
Baby, I messed up investing in you, bro.
What did you ever get me?
Come back to me, bro.
Oh, baby, I am never gonna come back to you.
This is actually sad. He has been the one paying for your bills and then you pay him like this. This is why men are choosing to be alone these days. When a woman wants to be cruel with you, she does it without even looking back at all you've done for her. But women choose not to talk about it.
What the fuck are you? What are you doing? No.
It's really raining out here. You mind letting me in?
No, absolutely not.
What do you mean absolutely not? I came all the way here in a rainstorm.
Yeah,
to
we
visit
got
you.
away from you because you were cheating on us and you were psychotic.
That is absolutely absurd. You have no proof of that.
No.
Can I please come in?
No, get out of here.
wanna see the place.
No, get out of
How
here.
are the kids?
They're fine. Don't worry about them. You're psychotic. That's
You
why we
haven't even
left.
let me talk to them.
Because you gave away your rights.
I did not give away
Yes,
my
you
rights.
did.
You took them from me.
No.
Where are they?
Get out of here, Emma.
Can I please come in?
No.
I want to see the house.
Get out of here.
Please. I
Go
wanna
away,
see.
you cheating witch.
I can go around the side
No.
in the window.
Get out of here.
It is raining. You want to turn me out in the
Yes.
rain?
Start walking. Get the fuck out of here.
I'm not leaving.
Yes.
You're crazy.
No, you're the psychotic one.
That doesn't open. You have to go all the way around. Oh, can we?
Thank you.
Really?
I'm not doing this right now.
Really?
I'm not doing this.
Dude, aren't you her boss? Aren't you her boss? Really?
Why are you following us outside?
Oh, why? Why? Because, me making a fool of myself.
yourself.
Really? Me making a fool of myself. She's cheating on me, dude.
Talking about.
She's cheating on me with you. You know she's married, right? You actually came to the house
mean married?
to get dinner
You ain't got a job, right?
you met our kids.
You should probably come by and fill out a job
You
application.
met our kids. Really, Stephanie?
This is so stupid.
Really?
Stop following us.
Stephanie, really?
No.
So you're gonna leave me for that?
You know I'm paying the rent, right?
Oh, you're paying the rent.
Well, your
Oh.
job
you
isn't
live at?
cutting it.
Huh?
Where you live at?
Your job isn't cutting it. So, who do you think was paying for it?
Oh wow, but you know why I'm filming this? So I can show it to the judge whenever we get
I don't want to
divorced.
be married to you anyway.
Okay, so we'll see who kept the kids.
Take your ring back.
Just because your husband is jobless at the moment doesn't give you the right to cheat on him with your boss. This is actually very sad. And these are the kind of women that come begging after they've been served. She's purely a gold digger, and once the benefit stops coming, she'll come running back to you, and by then, it's gonna be too late.
It's the best first date ever.
You like the food?
so good.
I'm glad that you're enjoying it. So I was thinking like,
What?
so can I get some when we get home? Type stuff.
Get home. Get to
Yeah.
what?
Like, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you pull up to my crib and let me, you know?
No.
What you mean, no?
First date? Hell no. And
Well,
now not even the second date.
So what's it gonna be? Like, I'm gonna have to continue doing this right here? Is what you telling me? Just buying you food and not receiving nothing.
I gotta see what kind of man you are.
I'm telling you, I'm just asking you so I don't have to
Right now,
continue
it's giving
doing
you just
this.
want some pussy.
It's not that. I obviously want to get to know you and stuff, but I'm asking you, can you know?
Get to know me.
Can we get it
You
on
don't
when
got
I
to
get home
to know
though?
my inside.
I'm trying to know you from inside out though.
No.
So you saying no, I can't get none when we get home.
No.
All right, so pull out your Cash App right now and send me half the payment.
I got cash up.
Zelle, whatever, Apple Pay.
It's a date.
Yeah.
I'm not paying half.
Why? You telling me that I can't get what I want, so you can't get what you want? Send me half. This whole entire meal right here was almost $55. So at least send me $25 if I can't get none when we get back to the crib.
$25 is for me coming outside.
You not serious right now?
I'm not seeing no money.
It's really given that you just coming out and being with me for food, because you probably got no food at home.
Well, maybe you're right, but I ain't giving you no pum pum on the first night.
So you're gonna have to send that 25 then. Simple as that.
No. I'm just go ahead and take my Uber.
What are you doing? Why are you taking all the food?
It is very obvious that she's meant for the streets. And eventually, if you take this one home, she'll just end up messing up with you. So you're very privileged she's showing you all those red flags before taking her home. Because I don't understand what all this attitude is all about. He's only asking to know you more, but you're not interested in that.
Hey,
What are you doing up still?
welcome home.
I was quiet. I didn't think I would wake you up. Hi. Why are you still up?
How was work?
It was good. I got off super
Are you out
late.
with friends?
No, I got off super late.
You were just out off work late?
Yes, I had to stay in the office. Why? What's going on?
You weren't out with anyone else?
No, I was at the office.
The office till 11 o'clock at night?
There was an emergency.
Emergency till 11? They don't even do that.
Yes, they do. It
They
was
keep you
something
that
I can't
late.
tell you what was happening, but
You
yeah.
can't tell me?
No,
You can't tell me what you did at work till 11.
I can't.
So you weren't out with friends?
No, I wasn't. I was simply at work.
You weren't at anyone else's house?
What are you in?
Limited information I have, and I know you don't want to come back, so that's part of the
I don't. I mean, and the biggest thing for me is that I'm doing this by myself, and it's hard, and I just need help now. And so, I mean, if we got to stop this and not do any back pay, so we can start this and we can move forward, I'm okay with that.
Ma'am, there's very few cases I get that people walk in and say he paid $12,000, or even if it was $10,000 because of the other small items. That hardly ever happens. They wait till court orders. They don't do that much, whatever. They don't know they should be doing something. You can't find them, whatever. So this man has done something. Now, did he do it precisely perfect? No. Did you come right away so you could get, if she's what, 12 and 10 now?